Methane is a greenhouse gas that plays an important role in climate change. To understand its impact, it helps to look at where methane comes from and how long it stays in the atmosphere. Grass grows by absorbing carbon dioxide from the air through photosynthesis. That carbon becomes part of the plant as it grows. When cattle eat grass, most of that carbon is used for energy and growth. A small portion of that carbon is converted into methane during digestion and released into the atmosphere. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas, but it behaves differently from carbon dioxide. It has a relatively short atmospheric lifetime, about a decade. After that time, methane breaks down into carbon dioxide and water. That carbon dioxide can then be absorbed by new grass as it grows, continuing the cycle. This is known as a biogenic carbon cycle, carbon moving continuously between the atmosphere, plants, and animals. When cattle numbers remain stable, this cycle tends to maintain a relatively steady level of atmospheric methane, rather than causing a continuous increase. Now let's compare this with fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and natural gas are made from carbon that was removed from the atmosphere millions of years ago and stored deep underground. When fossil fuels are extracted and burned, that long-stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere. This adds new carbon to the modern climate system, carbon that does not cycle back out on short timescales. This is the key difference. Biogenic methane circulates within a short-term cycle. Fossil fuels introduce carbon that accumulates over time. Methane from cattle contributes to warming, but it operates within a recycling loop. Fossil fuel emissions are the dominant driver of long-term global warming because they continuously add new carbon to the atmosphere. Not all emissions work the same way, and understanding that difference helps focus climate solutions where they matter most.